Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation. Gonna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the announcement was made on Tuesday, declaring Vybz Kartel, Sean Storm Campbell, Andrew St. John, and Kyrie Jones that they have been granted conditional leave, which means, yes, we're going to explain the whole settings. They have 90 days. Yes, the lawyers have 90 days to file documents in their case to the UK Privy Council. Now, the Court of Appeal Justice Nicole Simmons made the announcement revealing that she'll be granting them conditional leave to actually go to the UK and make their case in front of the council. And that was before Tuesday. They don't know, keep hush hush until the final announcement was made. Now, she ruled in favor of Vybz Kartel and the co-accused motion to leave out courts handling of fresh evidence, which means the DPP was forced to release the case. It is now out of local hands. And what that means, handling of fresh evidence, we still need much more clarifications, but it is as how it sounds. Remember, tampering was done with the evidence. The way they retrieved the evidence was tampered with. Spliced voice recordings, phones putting individuals away from the spot where they made have said them did there, and the same phones being used as the evidence against them. But we know something wrong with this. And the entire nation witnessed this take place. That's why I hear some people I say, a teacher this or the teacher that. I wonder if, no doubt in my mind, freedom is a must. When these cases or cases like these are presented to the council, the Privy Council internationally, but we are talking about the UK Privy Council, matters of this nature are swiftly handled, and the remedy is always freedom, because the way the case itself was handled. It is no longer if the teacher was innocent or guilty. It was clear that evidence tampering means that they already have a verdict in mind. Without the case being handled, who get all on pan was considered over the amount of herb, and then after that, charges after charges after charges after charges. It's almost like they made a use a reason to get him behind the bar so that them could have carry out them plan. And that became evident when all of the information and all of the evidence was made public knowledge. That's why people who consistently try to say, oh, yo, well, the teacher do this or the teacher do that, they have a personal agenda or personal hate for the artist. And we can see it clearly because the entire evidence, whether evidence reviewed or that was exposed, meaning that things get tampered with, or the blatant statements over here in an open court, you could have said about wait, this as opposed to instant freedom. We're not even supposed to question or wonder if the entire world, the thing Vybz Kartel have been released years ago from the trial. Nobody never expect. So when a verdict of a lengthy sentence like what the teacher get was handed out, people are saying, but wait, they ain't said plain now. And they have nothing for we have to wonder or question or overthink. It was plain. So from the appeal was filed And then we hear where the appeal judges, tribunal say, we are say, alright, see there, it's clear, you know? But then play right into what the lawyers already knew. So this was the way it had to be done. What the system do is feel like, say, what you know, the teacher would not fight the case as though him fight the case. Many people file a motion for appeal, but when them look on the dollar figure and how much money it will cost, they end up have to stop short. The teacher did not stop short. Him carried all the way, which are what the DPP never expect. They never expect the teacher to carry it all the way. They may expect it from the appeal court days. He would have basically use the money for do that. But the teacher proved them wrong. Drop all the song. We stand strong. And has proven just that. Mentally, I can tell you this. Vybz Kartel are the strongest artist me know. We don't know a dancehall artist that has gone through scenarios or situations that Vybz Kartel has gone through and is currently living through and still can retain or even evolve into what we see now as an individual. Much wiser, much stronger. Music still showing. We can't call Vybz Kartel music growth. Vybz Kartel has peak dancehall music. All we can say is different dimensions of the artist and his artistry are the only way that we can term it. Vybz Kartel seems to have mastered all levels of music. Now we're not talking about dancehall music alone. So don't stop drop with the British flow and the British accent in our way. And the timing was impeccable. It's like on the devil see the world settings. Freedom is a must. The comet is on its way. And we are state that. I don't want people to see we are celebrating and say it's a hype. No, we just state the facts that you are going right now is that it is out of local jurisdiction hands. And now people can say, but who are the people of international want to teach you behind the bars? Oh, no. Speculations will always be made. Speculators will always speculate. That's how the something go. But what we know this for a fact is, this is a matter before the highest court of appeal, the Privy Council International. The situation where Vybz Kartel have with local powers that be different from the one we have with international artists. Some people say, look on the type of music we put out. Listen to some of the biggest superstars and the record labels that fund their music. You want to know about the industry? You might think you don't know about the industry. You don't know about the industry. The type of music that Vybz Kartel put out, some of them is actually the type of music where the industry want. What Vybz Kartel do is add gems to it. Because most people not over that. We'll clarify that in a few minutes that we have right now. We can make a hardcore dancehall song and talk about the same subject matter with people. I say, boy, at that time make the youth, or that time make the people and this and that. But at the same time, in that same song, Vybz Kartel give different scenarios. Showing us, say, this is what take place on a day-to-day basis. People can do it differently though, but this is what people choose to do, and this is how life is being lived. That's how we end the music. So now I feel like say international powers that be going to say, no, them type of music can do. No, we don't know about the industry. Just keep that in mind. Other than that, when matters of this nature are brought before this council in particular, freedom is a must. The comet is on its way, people, and celebrations are in full effect. We have more music on the way. Yes, we have even more music on the way. Lots more in store and even more in storage. Continue to stream the tracks. There's some people that talk about the views. And as I will say, we'll do some more. We'll take another look into Wagwan, and then we'll go updating upon that as well. So we'll go live. After we check out Wagwan, talk to a few people, and verify a few things. Then we're gonna definitely go live and we're gonna all a reasonable Wagwan with numbers and all settings. How Wagwan with the trending. You know there's something go. One Nation of Dancehall Vision subscribers, if you're new to the channel, remember, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and yes, put it on all. This is how now you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Like icon today, close proximity, drop a like, drop a share on the video so people can see what go on. Comment section always open. Yeah, the comment section always open. Guys, the Nation knows something go. Drop the comments, drop the likes. We are go through some comments and auto. And you see me? Reply back to some comments and do the thing. You know there's something go. We're gonna take out, we're gonna do some research to set speed, so we don't know much comments we can really answer. But you know there's something go. And tell the reason again.